If you want to change keyboard language on Google Pixel 10, first of all, we need to open Settings. Scroll down in Settings until you find System, and then in here, go to Keyboard. Now we can open on-screen keyboard and then choose the Gboard, as this is the default keyboard that we use on this phone. Open Languages, and then we can add new keyboard language over here. We can use the search field in order to write the name of the language that you wish to add. So let's say I'm going to try to add French. There we go. Now over here we also have different layouts that you can choose, so be sure to check that out. We also have the multilingual typing possible, and we can press down in the bottom right corner. And there we go, we have added a new language. If you want to get rid of the old language that was added before, we can tap on this pen icon in the top right corner, and you can select the language that you want to remove. And then over here in the top right corner we have this trash icon. And if you want to, you can of course keep multiple languages added. If you want to switch between these languages, once you open your keyboard, you can tap on this globe icon that is being highlighted right now. And then on the spacebar, you can see the current language that is being used. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.